great hour here at the Live Action Arena. Welcome along, I'm Crofty, and this is Shmee.
Hello everyone, and welcome indeed. And Crofty, I have to say, McLaren 720S, that is a very nice car to have arrived in.
Adding immense value to it, the fact that I've now been driving this for a whole weekend. It's bloody awesome, this car. I absolutely love it, and I can't quite believe Zak Brown's let me drive it.
Well, from that loaded with technology, I've got a little bit more old school, the Vantage GT8. Although, you know, the race version of this car won Le Mans last year, it's still got something in it.
It's rather nice. It would have me in it if I had to spare 24 hours to spend in a car. I have to say, we've got 50 minutes coming up for you that we hope you're going to really enjoy. Welcome to our class of 2018, and a round of applause for our drivers. They're good, these people, they're good.
It is indeed, and if you've been to the Live Action Arena before, you'll know that we include a little bit of supercar fever, and here we've got something for you today that I've not been out in before.
Is it a Skoda?
It's not a Skoda, you'll have to stay tuned.
Oh, even better than a Skoda. I can't wait for that as we kick off our year in motorsports after an epic 2017 with...
2017 brings new rules, new cars and new challenges, but the usual suspects take the glory. Lewis Hamilton becomes Britain's most successful Formula 1 driver for the fourth time as Mercedes face down strong challenges from Sebastian Vettel and Ferrari. There are wins for Max Verstappen and Daniel Ricciardo, but no will fall short. McLaren picks Honda as Fernando Alonso wins forward to Renault Power. Felipe Massa retires again, so gets the order of means for miserable racing. Ahead to Daytona and Le Mans, Fernando builds on his starring role in Indy. Honda's Golden Boy tackled Sato as Japan's first Indy 500, while Roger Penske's new superstar, Joseph Newgarden, takes the IndyCar title in style. The changing of the guard in NASCAR sees new stars such as Kyle Larson emerge, while legends Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Matt Kenseth, and also Danica Patrick, all bow out. Andrea Dovizioso and Ducati challenge Honda's Marc Marquez in a classic duel, but the world's best rider still makes 4 titles in 5 years. It was a brilliant year for Great Britain, with 2 wins for Chris Meek and a famous victory for Elfyn Evans on the Wales Rally GB. Sébastien Ogier made 5 titles in a row as he switched to Malcolm Wilson's M-Sport Fiestas. Ashley Sutton takes a breakthrough title in a showdown with ex-champs Gordon Shedden and Colin Turdon. Porsche bows out in sports car racing for Formula E, but as champions, Toyota again miss out on Le Mans and title win. Ferrari beat all covers in GTs as Aston Martin introduced an all-new challenger for 2018. Mercedes, Porsche, BMW and Audi all officially sign up for the electric race series. The Halo becomes standard wear in F1 and F2. Sauber go F1 racing with Alfa Romeo and one of the brightest stars in the future, Charles Leclerc. And even Indy cars look different this year. We can't wait. And you?
Short answer, no. Quiet GT4. We've got Planet Carcross, it's new for 2018. And we've got legends from the other side of the Atlantic as well. But we'll start with 2 guys that just can't drive in a straight line. It's the superstars of Sideways. Bring on the Drifters! Whatever that means. It's bloody hard, isn't it?
It is indeed. Drift car drivers need to be precise. They need flair, nerves of steel, and some serious wheel skills as they try to impress the judges based on their speed, risk, and style.
So here's an idea. Let's have some competition here this evening. And
Richard Hammertown's drift. We've got Connor Shanahan.
I'm getting behind the machine. Loser.
Well, I think 14-year-old Connor here has something in him.
Well, he probably has. It should be a school book and his detention note, because he shouldn't be here, he should be studying, young man. But today you're going to learn at the hands of a legend. You're going to kick his ass.
Well, We'll give it our best.
Yeah, give it your best shot. In you go, boys. Thank you very much indeed. What we're going to do, we're going to start off with James in the lead, I think. Connor's going to pursue him and get as close as he can without touching. And then Connor's going to lead and James is going to pursue him and get...
Definitely a bright future. This kid only lives 1 kilometre away from where I live, and yeah, it's just insane, and I can't wait to see what's in front of this kid.
1 kilometre away in a straight line, but it takes him half an hour to get there because he can only go sideways. Give me a lift back to the pits if you wouldn't mind, James. Connor, thank you very much. Shmee, over to you. I'll see you in a bit.
Well, I'm not entirely sure it's going to be desperately comfortable for you over there.
Oh, God, that's not very comfy at all.
Stylish way to leave your in, though.
I'm going to be singing Boy Soprano in a minute. See you in a minute.
Well, now the coffee's gone, let's take a look at something really cool. Slightly known to play a few computer games, as I'm sure some of you have too. Project Cars
2. On the left-hand side of the screen, we're in the simulator with Project Cars 2. On the right-hand side, it's real life. And away we go then. Track and a mixture on this rallycross circuit and tarmac and off.
And also on screen, thanks to our gamer, Matty234, 2017 Project Cars 2 race winner. This thing, by the way, is seriously quick.
sideways, the more people get in with you.
Yeah, definitely. I'm trying to put on a show for you guys. Hope you're enjoying it.
Did we enjoy that? Oh yes, we did. Mate, it's great. It's so great to see you back behind the wheel. How have Mission Motorsport helped you over the past few months?
Well, the guys at Mission and Terry have really helped me out in my recovery by just giving me the opportunity to drive fast cars, have a lot of fun, and to let me do this show in front of all you guys has been awesome opportunity for me, and I'm just loving every bit of it.
Yeah, still living the dream. We love that, but we want to see you on a racetrack. Can that happen in 2018?
Yeah, 2018, hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be back on a racetrack for you guys, and showing you what I can do after the crash, let alone what I could do before as well.
Do we want to see Billy racing cars? Oh, we certainly do. And we want to see you in F1. Now you've got all these good F1 mates, the Lewis Hamiltons in this world, Nigel Mansell. Is there a seat for you in the future?
Yeah, hopefully it's a nice silver round of the Mercedes. That'd be nice. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, absolutely, mate. We'll take that for the time being. We'll take the stunts this weekend. Thank you so much for coming and putting this on for us. Terry, would you give Billy a little lift back, mate? I think that'd be fantastic, because he deserves one massive final round of applause. Before that, ladies and gentlemen, that's good, but we can go better. We can go better. We've got some collection buckets outside the live action arena, and we'd love, if you wouldn't mind, digging deep into your pockets to see how much we can raise for Mission Motorsport this weekend. They've got a stand in the main hall. We've got our collection buckets here. They're an amazing charity. They help over 800 people on an annual basis. So if you can give generously, that would be great. For the time being, though, a round of applause for Billy Monger. race winner, Winston Cup champion in 2000, and back in the car that he used to race to victory all those years ago. I bet that felt good.
Oh yeah, it was not bad. I mean, it's hard to get a hold of the racetrack here, but it's still a lot of fun. We've had a great time in the UK and enjoy everybody's, just everybody being so nice to us, and glad that they were invited over here and having a great time.
It's an absolute pleasure to have you here with us at Autosport International. Introducing us to NASCAR, you had 21 race wins. Give us your version of the best of those wins.
Well, I would say the best version of the win that I had was the first win at the Coca-Cola 600 in Charlotte, North Carolina. And we had a great time, a great win. You always remember your first win, so that was obviously on the top of the list.
You always remember your first time at anything here. Manuel Viro, is that your first time in a NASCAR?
Hello guys.
This is a major shock and a surprise to all of us here that you wanted to have a go. You've never done this before, have you?
Well, I drove this car in Goodwood, and I can tell you guys, this car has got juice. You know, screw the curves, screw the energy recovery. This car has got real juice, and it's really, really incredible. I always admire the NASCAR guys very much for the way of racing, the intensity, and the specialization required. It's really, it's been always an interesting way of racing. But you've got to drive this car to appreciate how difficult it is to be a NASCAR driver. So, Bobby, massive respect for you.
Fantastic. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for that.
We were in Italy. Nobody, we had a pretty girl doing this kind of interview.
You got a pretty boy instead. Don't be so bloody sexist with me. You told me you loved me last time I saw you, Manny. Right, Bobby, just before Manny goes, how cool is that when a man, a legend of world motorsport, says that about NASCAR? And everyone here loves NASCAR. We want to get it in the UK, don't we?
Oh yes, I think that all racers from all types, and I know you've raced in the US and LMP, and I've met you over here in Europe and UK, and it's awesome to see other drivers from different forms of racing. We've had that in the IROC series, so NASCAR is obviously very popular in the States, but I think that no different than anybody else, we'd like to spread it out, and I think other drivers like to be able to drive these cars because they're not easy to drive, and it's definitely a different challenge for them. So it'd be great to be able to have a race over here in the UK as well sometime soon.
Do we want to race in the UK, Birmingham? Yeah. Yes, we do. Bobby, thank you so much for coming. Manny, absolute pleasure to see you. Unlike Italy, here, the stars are the cars, not the pretty girls.
No, but there's one thing in common.